This is Crucian Girl back with another 3D printing video. So for the holiday seasons, I was tasked by my hubby to look up a Planet Hulk model or Maestro. So I was lucky. During my Google search, I go to this website, Yagi, which is where you can get a lot of STL files. And I went ahead and clicked on this one right here and went into, which links me up to the CG Trader account where I purchased from a STL fan art account. Only 15 bucks. And I get this model of the Hulk. And I'm just gonna click through a couple. I gotta just click through here. And this gives you different views of Hulk or Maestro, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go, I had already downloaded all the files. So normally when I download files, it is like a STL file, but this one was like a RAR file. So I have this, let me show you. I downloaded a Spin 3D by NCH software. So this converts those files into the STL files, which then I load onto my, Ultimaker Cura. This was originally bigger and I scale it down to 25. So this is going to be a test print of the body. Depending on how it goes, whether I scale it up or down, kind of determine how the overall model is going to look. Because if I had it the normal way, it would have been a little bit bigger than what I need it to be. So let's go. So flagrant, taste flavors.